I'm going to tell you right now that nothing is better than some freshly squozen orange juice. I love oranges. I can't tell you how much I love oranges. I have one about every day, but I love fresh orange juice even better. And when you're camping, I came across this orange juicer that is portable, completely portable. Look, no cords. You're not going to plug it in anywhere. So it actually is USB-C driven right there. I mean, how cool is that? It's USB-C. It's portable. You can take it on the go with you when you're camping. You can grab some oranges. And you know what else I noticed is that normally when we bring orange juice, you know, in that big tub that you did pre-made orange juice, you have to put that in your cooler. And it takes a lot of space. But when you just go buy a bunch of oranges and you grab this on the go, you don't have to put it in the cooler. That's just a side benefit of what I noticed. You don't have to take up that cooler space. So we actually were able to put a lot of other stuff because we love our orange juice in the morning. These are bigger oranges, but they're the kind that I love when I'm making orange juice. I like making the bigger oranges because you tend to get a little bit more juice out of them. Now they're just your navel oranges here. And here we go. Oh, that feels really good in the hand. There we go. There's half an orange right there. Let's go for 2 oranges, or let's go for a whole orange. Let's see how much juice it's giving us. That's filling up pretty good, actually. Kind of see it right there. It is taking out all the juice out of there. Now, let's see with 1 orange, how much you get. Now, there's a level right here. It's probably pretty full. I wouldn't dare put more in. So let's see. Here we go. Man, that's pretty good. All right, 1 orange, almost a half a cup. We're gonna go another orange here. I'm gonna do 1 more orange. A little faster. All them juicy juice. 1. Test here. Can I squeeze anything out? Maybe a drop. Yep, I got a drop. That's pretty good. I think I got all the juice except for 1 drop. All right, now let's see how much we get. This is way cool that you can actually have freshly squozen orange juice camping when you have no power. And this little guy right here, really lightweight. Now, it's not a commercial. You're not going to be doing hundreds of oranges on it. It's probably going to die on you, but it would die on you if you did hundreds of oranges for sure. But the battery tends to be good. It tends to be solid. So let's test it. That's really good. That's really good. Now, it's not like tons and tons of pulp, but it is pulp. So I'm sure you ran it through a strainer if you didn't like the pulp, but it's like buying pulp in the orange juice container where you get just a little bit of pulp, not a ton, which I like. I like that way. I prefer it. Oh, we got some left in here. No, get all the juice out. All right, I just found one of my new favorite camping gadgets right here, a cordless orange juice. And I get the side benefit is you don't have to bring the orange juice in the cooler. You can just grab some oranges and you're good to go. In fact, when you get to your final destination, you just run and go grab a bag of oranges wherever you're at. As long as you have this guy, you got orange juice. And there's so many different things that we do with orange juice. You can make smoothies, you can make just drinking pure orange juice in the morning. I'm a sucker for oranges as it is. So this is definitely going to be a staple in my next camping trip for sure.